How to download NBA 2K25 on mobile Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can download NBA 2025 on your Android device. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So the first step is you will need to locate your Google Play Store. So after you find it, open it up. Open up your Google Play Store. After you do that, you'll need to head over to the search bar. To do that, tap on the bottom right corner on the search option, or if you have it on the top of your screen, you can tap on that as well. After you tap on your search bar, head over to the search bar and simply type in NBA 2K25. Then search, and there you'll find the app. You'll find it right here. Open it up. Now this is the app right here. You can see this, you can read through it, you can read about its reviews and everything. And when you want to download it, tap on the install button and it should start downloading. Now it can take some time if your internet is slow, since it is 1.62 GBs. So just wait for it to get downloaded, and after it downloads, you can open it up and then use it. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you download NBA 2025 on your Android device. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Again, if you want more of such tutorial videos, don't forget to comment down below on what you want it on. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.